Welcome to Watts. Here, we'll guide you through the standard uses, features, and benefits of the series LF825Y. The LF825Y reduced pressure zone assemblies are used to protect against high-hazard fluids in water services to facilities such as industrial plants, hospitals, and chemical plants. They are also used in irrigation systems, boiler feed water lines, and other installations requiring maximum protection. In addition to meeting all the standard certifications, the LF825Y features lead-free construction to comply with lead-free installation requirements. This series features two independently operating, spring-loaded Y-pattern check valves for low head loss, with a modular differential relief valve for ease of maintenance. All internal parts are serviceable in-line. For additional details on the product, including installation, head to febcoonline.com.